Hello, and today we're just going to talk about how to maintain your starter. So it's really quite simple, depending on what you're going to do. So this first video is if you are making bread regularly. So the first thing we do is we make our bread. So we would feed the starter, get it active, and then we would take out 100 grams. And we would be left usually with just a little bit in here. And what I do is feed it with 30 grams of water and 30 grams of flour. I just use plain white flour and set it aside. That will give it something to feed on, and then I'll put it in the fridge. But let's say we're going to make bread in a couple of days. So the night before we're going to make bread, I pull it out and I will feed it 50 grams of flour and 50 grams of water. That's 100 grams, which is the amount we're going to use in our next loaf. I have found the best combination is 50% white flour, just plain white flour, and 50% whole wheat flour. It seems to be a very good combination that will get you a very strong, active starter. And that's that simple. I always mark the jar when I feed it so that I can see how much it's risen. And of course, you want to use a very strong active starter before you make any loaves of bread.